This is Miss Sebastian, and we're going to look at Unit 3, Using Graphs to Analyze Data, Lesson 8, Modeling Data with Lines. So which line models the data points better and why? So I want a line that has the same number of data points on top and bottom, as well as it goes through the center of most of the lines. So I see choice D down there. It's going the opposite way as the data. So D is not going to be our answer. C doesn't look like it goes through the center. It looks like it's kind of laying flatter. So our choice is between A and B. I'm going to look and see if I've got an even number of points on either side. So on A, on top of the line, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. And on the bottom, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So A looks like a pretty good line there. Let's look at B. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 to 6 is not a great balance there. So I would say A represents this data the best. According to the blue line, what would you estimate the salary of someone, the IQ score with a salary of 40,000? So I'm going to go down from 40,000 and go over and find out where that line hits. So it's about there. That would be an IQ score of a 93. So according to that blue line, the IQ score for a person making about $40,000 would be 93. According to the blue line, what would you estimate the salary of someone with an IQ of 115? So the IQ score is on the y-axis. So I'm going to go up to 115, go across until I hit that line, and it is a little above 80. So I would say about 85,000. What is a trend line? This is a big one. The trend line, all you need to know is pattern. A trend line tells us the pattern of the data. Trend line is the pattern of.
Make a box and whisker plot for the set of data. So the first thing we're going to do is to put these in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to start with 1, then I see 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, then I see 18 and 19, and 21, 22, 23, and 24. Okay, so then I'm going to say, okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 numbers. So the middle would be 7. So there's 6 on each side. So that is here. My minimum number is my lowest number. That's 1. My maximum is my highest number. So then I have to find the median of my lower quartile, which is the 6 numbers on the left. So the median would be the middle of 7 and 9. So the middle of 7 and 9, 7 plus 9 is 16, divided by 2 is 8. Then I've got to find the median here. It is the middle of 21 and 22. 21 plus 22, that would be 43, divided by 2 gives me 21 and a half. So now I can plot these points on my number line. Got a dot at 1, a dot at 24, lower quartile at 8, median at 12, and then quartile 3 at 21.5. Sorry, hopefully on your paper these boxes look a little bit better. And your whiskers. So that is what your box and whisker plot is going to look like for that set of data.
Okay, describe the relationship of the scatter plot below. This one, if you notice, the data is going up to the right. This is just like our slope. When something is going up and to the right, it is a positive slope. Positive slope. Describe the trend in the scatter plot. So this is comparing exam scores with the number of missed classes. So to put a trend line, or going with the pattern, in this data, looks like about like that. It is going down and to the right. That's going to be a negative trend, because as the number of missed classes increases, the exam score decreases. So the more classes you miss, the lower the exam score.